whenever we perform calculations in mathematics, we need to be aware of the order in which we perform these calculations. What is the golden rule of mathematics? Does anybody know? What do we call it? Any calculations that we perform, there is that one golden rule that we keep in mind. Who can tell us what that rule is called? Juria says, Juria is giving us calculations. She is just slaying us with maths. What's going on? Terms? No. What are they called, guys? It's an acronym. It's a really nice acronym.
You can do it, my people.
The order in which we perform calculations. Which rule deals with order?
We can do it, guys. What does your teacher say you must follow when you have to do calculations? What are you following?
Yolanda is helping her people out. Ooh, this people think it's cheating. I don't like it.
Simpiwe.
Simpiwe has an answer for us. Yes, Simpiwe, let's hear.
Simpiwe, so there's a little box on your side that is popping up on your device. Just click on it so you can. There we go, Simpiwe. Well done.
Hello.
You must follow your steps.
What are they called?
What is it
check
called?
In the chat.
Someone is helping you on the chat. Simpiwe, someone is helping. What is there on the chat?
Simpiwe is like, I don't know.
Simpiwe is like, I'm
not doing this. Tap out. Well done, Lisa Kanya. Admin, you need to change your name. I already forgot. Luto, Cindy says bodmas. Bodmas. Yes, guys, I am talking about bodmas. So now you kind of know what today's lesson is going to be all about, right? Bodmas. Before we go there, let us talk about this. What are terms? What are terms? Anyone wants to raise their hand and have a chat with me? What are terms? Anyone? Don't be shy, guys. You know these things. Maria's like, bodmas, welcome to the party, Maria. Welcome to the party. But what are terms? A number or variable. We're getting somewhere, Luto. I like it. I love it. We are getting somewhere. Okay? Terms are, Luto says, a number or variable in an algebraic expression. Okay, so if I say to you, we have 2x plus 3y minus 4. Those are terms, okay? So how do we identify terms? Okay, let's first write our definition. So Luto says terms are a number or variable in an algebraic expression. Okay, so in my expression over here, how many terms would you guys say we have? Anyone wants to raise their hand? Don't be shy, guys. You know, and I know you know these because I was in your classes last year. I'm gonna expose you to Teacher Coco. I'll be like, Teacher Coco, they are not doing the right thing, these people. Thank you, Blessed and Laura, for trying. They say 2. Anyone else have an answer? Jenna says 2. Luto says 3. Okay, we have different answers now. There are 30 of you in this class, so I need more answers. Come on, guys. Remember, it's not a spectator sport. Refense have their hand up. I love hands up. Woo! Refense.
I think the answer is 2.
You think the answer is 2. How did you come up with 2, Refense? Let's talk about it.
Well, I'm calculating.
You are calculating. That's interesting. I see a lot of twos in the chat as well. Cindy says expressions have monomial, binomial, and trinomial. That is true. That is true, Cindy, but we are here now. Tell me, in this expression that we have, are we dealing with a monomial, a binomial, or a trinomial? Cindy says one. I don't know what one means. Naledi. Hello, Naledi.
Save the day, Naledi. You have to unmute on your side, girl. Oh, Naledi
Naledi's like,
disappeared.
goodbye. I'm not doing this. Goodbye and so long. Okay, guys. Orlando says 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Oh, you're talking about the numbers. Okay, guys, let's talk about how do I identify terms. So terms, you guys are supposed to know this, but it's okay. I forgive you. Terms are identified by separated. Sorry, they're separated by pluses or minuses, right? So we identify them because they are separated by the operations plus or minus. So now that we know how to identify terms, how many do we say there are? How many terms? Let's count together here, okay? We have one term. Here's our one term. And then we have a plus. That's a separation. Term 2. And then we have a minus. That's a separation. Term 3. So I'm going to ask again, how many terms do we have in my expression? Let's hear. 3. There we go. The expression is a trinomial. Thank you, Cindy, for putting it so beautifully. I love it. Wish you could see my face. I'm very happy. Okay, so this expression has 3 terms. It's a trinomial. Trinomial. Right? Let's try another one. If I say to you 2x minus 4, that's a trinomial. That one there. How many terms does 2x minus 4 have? Yes, Olanda, I'll help you just now. Naledi, at this moment, we are doing whole numbers, okay? Just stick around a little bit more and maybe we'll do the highest common factor and lowest common denominator. How many terms? Just tell me the number 2x minus 4 has. Princess says 2, Cindy says 2. More people, guys, come on. I know you guys know Blessing, Naledi, Laura, Olanda. There we go, guys. So it's term 1. And then we have a negative separating and term number 2. So let us learn the terminology quickly. So we said trinomial, guys. If you have a tricycle, how many wheels does it have? How many wheels does a tricycle have? 3. Pluto, you're correct. A tricycle has 3 wheels. So a trinomial is an expression with 3 terms. Okay. And then a binomial is the same as bicycle. And a bicycle has how many? 2. Naledi, a bicycle has 2 wheels. Definitely not 4. That would be a car, right? Or like a quad bike or something. 2. So a binomial has 2 terms. And let's talk about monomial. What do you think that means? What do you think mono means? What's mono? What other word do you know is mono? Monologue, if you have a monologue. A single term. So a monomial has 1 term. Incredible. You guys are incredible. I love it. I love it. So whoever said they didn't learn it, I hope you feel better. Okay, when it has 3 or more, who knows? Now I'm just trying to see who knows. If it has more than 3 terms, what do we call it? More than 3. So like just many, more than 3. Well, who knows what we call that? It's not a trinomial. Remember, trinomial is for exactly 3. I didn't learn that yet, okay? So we call it a polynomial. Okay, poly means many, many, many. Okay, you guys are doing so well. I love it. I see why Linda has claimed you as her people, even though you were my people first, but it's okay.
No. They're my people now.
It's you, Linda.
Don't
They
fight
come
me,
from
teacher.
me. Okay. We will go in the ring
That's
for these people. Okay, there's our
They're
rule,
my
guys.
people.
It's fine. We'll sort it out. Okay, guys, so there's our rules. Anyone raise their hand and tell me what each of these letters stand for? Please, I know you guys know this. Oh, 2 hands shot up. They were like, boom. Okay.
Wow, well done, guys.
Ooh, this is amazing. We have
Yes.
5 hands. Okay, let's see. Lingomso.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's go.
So B stands for brackets.
Brackets. Kids, okay.
O stands for operation.
Operation, that's the first time I hear operation, okay.
D stands for division.
Division. Jeez, my pen is exposing my handwriting again. Division.
M stands for multiplication.
Multiplication.
A stands for addition.
Addition. I'm writing much slower than you're speaking, but yes, you can continue.
And S stands for subtraction.
Subtraction. Thank you. Subtract, guys. When they say math teachers cannot spell. That was terrible. Everyone ignore that. Pretend you didn't see that, okay? We don't know what just happened. Subtraction. Okay, so this is the order in which we work with algebraic expressions and equations and any mathematical sums. So B stands for brackets. I see in the chat, Olanda says of. O stands for of. I know O is usually a very difficult one. I know that some people say O stands for order. What other O do you know it as? What else do you know stands for O? Yeah, I think that's all I know of. Okay, so the point is B is for brackets. So off, okay. Yeah, most people know that off. B is for brackets. So wherever you see brackets in your algebraic expression, that's where you start solving, okay? Operation of order is all about those things. Okay, exponents and surds. That's why sometimes it is bodmas. Okay, so whether it's operation or of or order, you do the exponents, the squares, the cubes, and so on and so forth. Okay, division and multiplication, we can sort of do this. These are sort of in the same category. Can everyone hear me now? Morika Sandeka says, I am cutting.
No, definitely on our side is the perfect. Tandeka, it could be network. Are you with load sharing? Perhaps maybe it could be that.
Okay.
And
I'm just glad
the
that
rest of
you can hear me, because I'm worried. I was thinking, oh, what's going on? Oh my gosh. Sarah has her hand up. Hi, Sarah. Thank you, Jenna. Hello.
Hello.
Do you have a question?
Oh no, I just wanted to answer what bodmas stood for, but they already answered it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, Jaria. Hi, Jaria.
Hi, Teacher Kat. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Okay, so I go to Kiro in Durban, And
Mm-hmm.
for addition and subtraction, we also add them in brackets like division and multiplication.
Yes. Okay. Do we know why
Okay.
we do this? Did they tell you why we do this?
Because they're opposites.
No. Remember, they do it because it does not matter in which order you do division and multiplication. Okay. So if you divide first or you multiply first, it doesn't matter. Your answer will not be changed. But you have to divide and multiply before you add or subtract. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Cat.
You're welcome. Okay, so Juria already brought it up that we put division and multiplication together as well as addition and subtraction because they don't matter. Whether you multiply first or you divide first, it doesn't matter. But like, imagine if this was called bomdas. That doesn't sound cool. Eh? So now I get why they said
Bomdas.
bomdas or bomsa. Bomsa. Guys,
Now
can
we
you hear
think
my
there's a bomb
complicated?
somewhere around the Zoom.
See, now we're panicking. So this, I think that's why they put it in this order. Imagine bomb dust. What? Jeria calls it bomb dust. You, Jeria, change schools. Someone's gonna say now we call it bomb sa or something like that. Guys, please stay away from bombs and explosives. Okay? Stay away from that. But as long as you understand what it means. Wow. Bomb dance. I can't believe so many teachers are doing it. Yolanda, I'm teacher Yolanda. Yo, I'm having a heartburn.
Yes.
So many people are calling it bomb dance.
It's
That's
because
fine.
you created the bomb in the Zoom meeting.
But they're saying their teachers are using it at school. Guys,
Oh, as bomb dust.
yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, because of
Oof.
course multiplication and division can happen at the same time. Oh, wow. Bomb dust. Guys,
It's fine, guys.
wow.
Whether you are bomb dusting
Remember
or
that.
bomb
Oh, there's a bomb.
sighing or bomb messing. Now I don't even know what I'm saying. Tongue twisting. Hey, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Okay, let's talk about these examples. Okay, I'm gonna do A with you. 50. Cindy, give me a chance, please. Okay. Yes, but Cindy is correct. Remember, we start with brackets, which is there. So we're first gonna say 11 plus 9, which will give us 20, plus 32, which is equal to 50. Remember, you won't always have all the elements of BODMAS, but you still go in the order or BOM does. Yo, guys. Jenna is laughing. You know, Cindy's trying to take my job. I just got here, guys. But it's fine. Okay, do B and C for now. B and C, I'm giving you guys 3 minutes, 4 minutes. No, it's 3 now. 3 minutes. And when you are done with B and C, you must send me the flower because I'm feeling flowery today.
My flower emoji it is. Let's go, guys. Let's go. My babes, they're gonna do well. Sarah, is that a hand up for a question? Or is hand
I
up?
think Sarah
I'm
was
ready
the
to
one
answer?
who was up. Wasn't it up
Oh.
before? And she never lowered it. I think so. But let me check. Let me just check to be sure. Juria says slay. Juria, stop it with your bomb dust.
That is late, guys.
I miss you guys so much. Oh my goodness. Guys, I said flower. Guys, you see the problem. Flower, not the answers. You
We're
see
still in the
bomb
vibe of a bomb dust.
Bomb dust is bombsa. This is the result. There we go. Thank you, Rafenza, for my flower, and Cindy and Blessing. Laura gave me a rose. I love that. Julia, I miss you so much. I have to pick on you. Like, I mean, you know, Sia gave me a sunflower. Actually, sunflowers are my favorites. So like, Simpiwe, Princess, thank you. I'm starting to think I gave you way too much time, but I'm going to stick to my word. Tingo says I'm done. Tingo doesn't have time for flowers. No time. Jeria is giving us bomb daisies there. I see you, Jeria. I saw the bomb daisies. Yeah, I see. Smart. Lisa Kanye is giving me some. Olanda, you are giving me a fallen rose. I don't know how to feel about that. Hey. Okay. But a fallen rose, my dear. Sure. Tato, thank you. Oh, Lara's so sweet. Jenna's giving me a burst. Oh, I think most of us are done. Luto, you guys are going all out with the flowers. I like it. There's just a couple of seconds left because there is all of 34 of you and some of you are not sending me my flowers. Cindy was done long ago. I'm starting to have, you know what? Thank you, Blessed. Come on, hello. Okay, it is time. So, some people already gave us the answer. The answer for B. Yo, Jerry is going. Jerry gave me a garden. She's a florist. Okay, guys, what did you get for B? Let's hear what people got for B. 54, 54, 54. Lara has raised a hand. Yes, Lara.
Ma'am, I got 54.
54. Since you're here, let's talk about it. How did you work it out? Lara has vanished. Lara's like, I'm not discussing anything with you.
Cindy is willing. And so is
Cindy.
Master Taba.
Hi, Cindy.
Hi, ma'am. Also, it's Callan, not Cindy. Sorry, ma'am. But
No
also,
wonder you are taking my job. Kellen, since last year, I see you. You will not take my job. I see you. Okay, let's
ma'am,
go.
you can't stop me.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Thank you, ma'am.
I love the energy.
Okay, Kellen, how do we do this?
So, ma'am, for B, all I did was I did the equation for what was in the brackets. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So then that's done then. So now 6 times 9 equals 54. But ma'am, can I also talk about C, please?
Yes, you may. I love it. On fire.
So, ma'am, what I did for C, it was the same thing I did for B. So I plus 2 and 3, which equals 5. So then 12 times 5 equals 60. I can tell you D if you want, ma'am.
No. See, my job going flying. I see it. No, thank you very much, Helen. I miss you so much because of this answering stuff.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kellen.
And I see you in the chat, Laura. I see you. Thank you very much. Blessing, polite. I see all the answers, guys. I'm loving this. Olanda, Princess, Sarah, hello. Masichaba, Blessing, Lisakanya, Simpiwe, Tato, Blessed, Jenna, Naledi, Kelly. All of you guys are superstars. And for C as well. I see you guys. Incredible. Rufenze says, Ma'am, I got 34 for number B. Rufenze, do you want to unmute so we can talk about it? Where's Rufenze? Rufenze, raise your hand so we can unmute you and talk about where you might have made a mistake. There we go. Hi, Rufenze.
Hi, ma'am.
So let's talk through your answer. You said you got 34, right?
Yes.
So you got 34. So remember what bodmas says, right? It says you first start in the
brackets,
which means you must first add, and my circle was terrible just now, but it means you must first add. Do you agree?
Yes.
So let's add first. What is 5 plus 4?
9.
9, exactly. And now you're left with 6 multiplied by 9, which is?
6 multiplied by 9.
Oh, yes.
54.
54.
I saw I made no
Can you
mistake.
see? There we go.
Yes.
That's what we want. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Okay, let's go to D and E. I'm giving you guys another 4 minutes to get this done. Oh, Karen's already like D and Olanda. D is 118. Boom. Ma'am, for me, the screen display is very laggy. Jeez. Is my screen a problem? I'm worried. Kamohelo just raised their hand. Do you have a question, Kamohelo?
Hello, ma'am. I actually for D, I started with the brackets ending. I started with the bracket. You gave me 3, and then I plus my 5 plus 2. It also gave me 5 plus. Yes, sorry, ma'am.
So let's talk about it since you're here, ne? So you started
Yes.
with the brackets, which is great. What's next? There are no exponents, right? So we can skip
No.
that. Is there any division?
There's only multiplication.
Multiplication. So where do we go next? To the
I have to times 12. 12 times 3.
There we go. And how much
12,
will that give you?
12 times 3 times 3. But it gave me 36.
36. But we still have plus 5 plus 2. So now let's add. What's 36 plus 5?
36 plus 5, it gives me 41.
41 and plus 2?
43.
43. Well done.
Woo,
Can you
well
see that you
done,
can do it?
Amalo. Well done. That's it.
Incredible. Thank you for raising your hand. Do you feel better about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. That's what I want. Okay. So Lisa Kanye says, ma'am, I got 120. I'm not sure which one. Princess also says I got 120. Lisa Kanye also says I got 120. One of you guys, some got 118. Oh, there's a lot going on. Let's talk about how we got this number, guys.
Are people already on E, or are they still answering D?
I think it's D. How did we get 118, guys? Yep, it's D. Olanda, are you willing to unmute and tell me how you got 118? Cassie has to go. Just make sure you watch the lesson, Cassie, to watch what you have missed, okay? Okay, Olanda, unmute for me.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So, ma'am, how I got 118, right? It said 12 times brackets 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. So I got the 12 times, and then I added the 2 plus 1, which gave me 3, and then the 5 plus 2 was 7, and then I added plus 7. And then
So
I
you had
added
that.
I added the 3 plus 7 to get 9. And then I got 12 times 9, which gave me 118.
Okay, let's talk about this. So now we have multiplication here and addition, right? Which one comes first? in our bodmas rule?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So you cannot add 3 and 7 first. You first have to multiply 12 and
3.
3. Do you see your mistake? Do you feel better?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. That is great.
Nice
So
one.
I'm
Good
assuming that's
job.
what everyone did. But guys, just practice more and pay attention. Write yourself a small bodmas somewhere, or bomb does. Hey, I can't let that go. But write it somewhere and then follow each of the steps and see how you've done it. It's fine if you have to go, guys. Okay. Don't forget today's quiz day. Don't forget all those people that are leaving. Don't forget. Okay, so let's try E. Already I got answers for E. Kellen says 4. Someone just raised her hand. Their hand. Who is it? Okay, Jenna. Have I heard Jenna's voice today? I don't think so. Let's hear Jenna's voice. Hi, Jenna. Hello. I have 40s and 42. Boss Med, no, that you cannot do, princess. Kellen, we'll see. Let's give others a chance. I want them to be confident. Come on, guys. I know you know how to do this. Okay. You guys don't want to speak to you. Maria, has Maria spoken to you? Let's see. Maria.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Let's talk about our number E. How did you do it?
So, ma'am, first I said 12 times 3, which is 36.
Okay.
And then 8 divided by 2, which is 4.
4. Okay.
And then 36 plus 4, and I got my answer, which is 40.
40. Well done, Maria. Thank you so much for unmuting and speaking to me. Woo,
Thank you, ma'am.
I love it. I love it. Okay, I hope we're getting
That's
a
why
little
I'm
bit
saying
better
to my
at
people.
this. I hope we're getting better. We're feeling better about this. Okay, let's see. Brain break. How many total squares are there? Oh my goodness. How did I get 42? I don't know. I don't know, Alanda. Yeah, I can't even explain it. Maybe you divided wrong or multiplied wrong. I don't know. Okay, let's talk about this. In the chat, how many total squares do you see? Okay, some people say 10. Okay, everyone so far says 10. There's definitely more than 10. Do you agree, teacher Yolanda? I see more than 10 already.
I see more than 10 also, but I see what people are doing.
Yes,
That's why
I
they're
also
getting
see that.
10. But
Luto
it's
says
more than that, my
18.
loves.
Yo, Luto, you're gonna have to tell us where that 18 comes from. Someone says 9. Guys, I guarantee you it's more than 10. Why do plants hate math? Because it gives them square roots. Oh my goodness. That is such a cheesy joke that I will be using to my learners tomorrow. Watch, just watch me.
Because it gives them square roots.
I am
Sorry,
stealing
guys. I
that
love
joke.
lame jokes.
I know, I like how you and I are dead and everyone is just like, okay, let's count our squares, guys, shall we? Okay, I need something legit to count with. What do you think I can use? I don't know. Let's use a highlight. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the big one, 10. And that's where some of you stopped. But then there's 11, 12, 13, 14. Are there any other ones, teacher Linda? I don't know. I only see 14 so far. I don't know where you guys see 72. Lisa Kanya says 23. Guys, where do you get that? Let me see. Am I missing other squares? Remember, we're talking about squares, not rectangles. Okay, they have to be perfect squares.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
already have an answer, and I think
I
I
only
agree
see
with someone.
14, honestly.
Yes, I agree with Orlando and Teacher Cat, guys.
Yeah, I only see 14. So whoever said 14, big ups to you. Well done. We have 14, and I'm gonna write with my highlighter that was terrible, 14 squares. Ma'am, why not the plant joke included? I mean, it is included. Did you see it? Okay, guys, let's practice some more. I'm gonna make this a fire round. So for A, B, and C, I'm gonna give you, no, it's a fire round. If you have the answer, put it in the chat. Let's start with A. What's the answer for A, guys? Ooh, Kellen already says 29. This says 28. Tingo says 29, 29, 29, 29. Woo, I like how quickly this is going. This is what a fire round should be. Okay. Ngomso, Polite, Mpiwe, Orlando, Tato. So everyone says 29. So it's just 20 plus 7 plus 2, which is 29. Well done, guys. Let's move on to B. 34, 29, 142, 34, 34, 34, 34, 34. Do we have brain breaks here? That was your brain break, Julia. We counted blocks. That was so easy.
Yeah, that was definitely our brain break, guys.
Julia is like, wait, where's the brain break?
Stretch, please do stretch and go to the bathroom quickly, quickly, quickly if you didn't do that. While we're still trying to answer this question.
No, guys, the lesson is almost over. Come on. You guys thought we were going on a
Can't you
cruise,
make
not
me
this
laugh?
time. No, guys. How? That was the we counted blocks. Come on, guys. Okay,
Oh.
everyone says 34. Let's check. Let's check if our answer is 34. So we have 20, and we first do multiplication. So it's plus 7 times 2, which is 14. And that will be 34. Well done, guys. C, I've seen a few people have already put down answers for C. Whoop, we have more. Brain break is for people who like maths. Juria, please. Your brain had a break just now. We told you such a funny joke. That should have been like a nice breather. Except only 2 of us laughed.
Exactly. And none of you guys laugh.
And we're still laughing. Don't get old, guys. It's a trap. It's a trap. Orlando, it's fine. It's fine. You know what? Matt is gonna shake, and then we'll see. You will love those jokes. So for C, we have 130 plus 10 times 10, which is 100. So we have 230. Well done. What do we have for D? Polite is laughing. Polite, you don't want Matt to shake. I see you. E is Helen's, oh, D. No, we're still at D. Okay, 45, 45. What did I see up there about D? 45, I see another 45. Yes, a lot of you say 45. Guys, remember, if you don't understand how we're getting these, just stop me so I can explain. Okay. Kellen wants to explain. Kellen, we're doing a fire round. I'm going to give you this time because you love explaining so much. Let's hear you, Kellen. Go for it.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, what I did for D, so you know how it can work anyway with multiplication and division. I like to do mostly multiplication because it's much easier. And so what I did was 30 times 3 and that gave me 90, which divided by 2 equals 45.
45. Wonderful. Do you want to do E with me quickly?
Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay, go for it.
So, ma'am, in this situation, division would have been easier for this time. Actually, wait, no. Yeah, I think it is, ma'am. So 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Then 5 times 5 equals 25.
Thank you so much, Kellen.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, guys, so let's talk a little bit more about number E and number D. So remember I said the order in which you do it don't matter because all we have now is divide and times. So for number D, you could have, I think it's easier to just work from left to right for number D. But for number E, you could have also said 8 times 5, 40 divided by, nope, just work from left to right. Now my brain is like, what was I saying? I had such a good point, guys. I had such a brilliant point. And now my brain is like, I don't think so. Sit still. But it's fine. It's fine. We got the point. Okay. That is it for today.